Unpacking Slang. That's Seuss. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a piece of slang that's been popping up everywhere. That's Seuss. You might have heard it in movies, seen it in memes, or come across it on social media. But what does it really mean? Let's find out together. Seuss is actually short for suspicious or suspect. It's often used to describe something or someone that seems questionable or not quite right. It's a quick way to express doubt or mistrust about a situation or a person's actions. This phrase gained popularity through online gaming communities, especially with the game Among Us, where players have to identify the imposter in the group. Saying, "That's Seuss," became a shorthand for casting doubt on a player's behavior. Since then, it has spilled over into everyday language. You can use "That's Seuss" when you want to casually express that you're skeptical about something. For example, if a friend tells you they caught a fish this big, you might respond with a playful, "That's Seuss," if you think they might be exaggerating. The word Seuss can also be modified to fit different contexts. For instance, "Don't be Seuss," or "You're acting Seuss." It's flexible and can be used in various ways to convey the same core idea of suspicion. And that wraps up our look at the phrase, "That's Seuss." It's a fun and informal way to express doubt and is very common among younger speakers and in casual conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on this trendy piece of slang. Until next time, keep learning, and don't be Seuss of new expressions. They're just another exciting part of language learning.